The match that Jacinta Ngobese ignited has reached the Western Cape, and you would think that the Western Cape doesn't have many illegal immigrants. Well, you'd be wrong. It might be as bad as Johannesburg, but I don't think it's that bad as Johannesburg because Hillbrow, a whole town, has been taken over by illegal immigrants in Johannesburg. A whole city, as a matter of fact, because the only safe place in Johannesburg that you might assume that there are no illegal immigrants might be Braamfontein or even the CBD, but the Hillbrow, man, it has been overrun by illegal immigrants. But in Western Cape, man, it's really bad because in Western Cape, I don't think the police have been attending to illegal immigration because the immigrants even seem entitled. They don't even feel that they need to be arrested because they're even fighting with the police, resisting arrest. Some of the women have their children with them. They don't even want to go to jail. So the police are basically doing police brutality in a way because these illegal immigrants are fighting the police. And another thing that I noted is that in the Western Cape, you do have European illegal immigrants, and they were also being arrested. Even though March and March, Jacinta Ngobese, they are saying that they don't go after European illegal immigrants because they don't exist. Most or all Europeans in South Africa have documentation. No, that's not true. The Western Cape is rife with them because the majority of Europeans are in the Western Cape. So obviously, and that's a port, obviously they protect each other because some of the people here, the European illegal immigrants, when they were trying to arrest them, they were even resisting arrest, and some of the European friends there, they were saying that they must not even touch these guys. Anyways, let me just play you the video of the pandemonium.
Yeah, that's go inside there. That's go inside. Peace. Detective will talk to him that there's a case open already. For what? Raising against him.
I've always had this theory that Jacinta Ngobese and March are being funded by Europeans. That's why they never go after illegal immigrants of European descent, which is a topic for another day. But right now, we should focus on the fact that, yes, they are, and we've seen evidence of European illegal immigrants, and we should be going after them as much as we are going for Africans. And the Western Cape police have proved that, and they're doing a great job, man. We shouldn't be scared of Europeans, Abelungu. We should be definitely be going after them if they are illegal in the country, because many people, even Peter Kriel,